Ate, totoo ba? Mga magaganda babae, tahimik lang sila.
Ito ang nagpapaganda sa akin, ang Sip to Glow Advanced Collagen Drink. Meron tong Korean tripeptide, meron tong aminobutyric acid, vitamin C, and again, this has fish collagen peptide. Na ang nagagawa talaga nito is magpaganda ng skin natin, mag-reduce ng fine lines and wrinkles, mag-improve yung skin's elasticity, at gumanda yung hair natin, yung nails natin, at yung skin natin. So, araw-araw talaga nag-glow ako at gumaganda at talaga ang overall look ko dahil dito sa Sip to Glow Advanced Collagen Drink. So, bawat sachet, isang box ito is equivalent to 7 days. So, 1 week ang isang box na to. At I have the passion fruit flavor. So, napakadali lang. So, this is an on-the-go brightening or beauty drink. Ito siya. Super effortless magpaganda, kaya dito ka na sa Sip to Glow Advanced Collagen Drink. Check my alabas.